A swift and coordinated response has been rolled out to tackle the outbreak of acute diarrheal disease in Dapoli. According to Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, the situation is now firmly under control. Multiple health teams have been deployed on the ground, carrying out intensive surveillance, water quality checks, and widespread awareness drives among residents. Rane said authorities acted quickly to contain the spread, ensuring timely medical attention and preventive measures. In a significant relief, officials have confirmed that no new cases have been reported. Continuous monitoring is underway to prevent any resurgence of the disease. Rane said health department remains on high alert, urging citizens to maintain hygiene and follow safety advisories as a precaution. Stay tuned for more updates.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.